Hey guys, it's Hogan here. So in this video, I want to show you how to reset WordPress back to its default settings. So as you can see, let's just say you have messed up your page or you just want to start fresh and you want to reset WordPress to its default settings. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video. So what you need to do is you need to navigate to your dashboard. And by default, WordPress doesn't have this reset built in. So you have to navigate to plugins, click on add new to download a plugin and install it. So we're going to download a plugin called WP Reset and then click on enter. And then we're going to install this one over here by Web Factory. Click on install now. And then click on activate. Alright, so what we could do is scroll down over here and you can open the reset tools here, or I believe you can hover over tools and then you click on WP Reset. Okay, so these ones are the pro options which you have to pay for, and this way you can actually save some of the content. So what we're going to do is do a complete reset, and basically it's going to delete all your content that you have on your pages and also on your post. So if you do want to save your content, save it into like a Word document. All right, so you can scroll down over here to the bottom to site reset, and here you can reactivate the theme and also reactivate the plugins if you want to, right? So here you can also create a snapshot. So for example, you can restore it back to what you've before the reset, right? So you can click on create snapshot and then click on create and then click on OK. All right, so here, if you're ready to reset, then type in reset and then click on reset site and then click on reset. So this is going to take you to the default WordPress settings. So if we go back to our website over here, then you'll see the default WordPress theme, right? So we can click on back on our dashboard, and then now you can follow along with any tutorial and just start fresh. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next video.